The price range of the new Roewe iMAX8 DMH Land Zun is 199,900 to 249,900 yuan. In terms of basic structure and technology, the Roewe iMAX8 DMH and Buick GL8 share parts suppliers such as seats, side sliding doors, steering wheels, front and rear light groups and shock absorbers. More importantly, in terms of chassis adjustment, for example, the rear suspension multi-link design, Bosch third-generation steering system and bushing kit, etc. make the driving controllability comparable to the Buick GL8. You can have a large 7-seat MPV equipped with a plug-in hybrid system for about 200,000 yuan. The Roewe iMAX8 DMH New Land Zun can really save a lot of money in terms of its configuration and seats. The wheelbase of the new car is a full 3 meters long. The second-row seats are really wide enough, and the seat adjustment buttons are designed with hidden covers. Only the top model has seat heating, ventilation, massage functions and a small table. At the same time, the second-row seats can move forward and backward by 200 millimeters, but the leg rests are quite long and thick. The new car manufacturers have refrigerators and wide seats, and there is a lot of storage space. The space of the third row of seats is quite satisfactory, and the floor is not too high. At the same time, the trunk volume can only accommodate 2 large suitcases, but there is no hidden storage space that can be obtained by folding. Compared with other plug-in hybrid models in the same class with 3.3 kilowatts external discharge function, the Roewe iMAX8 DMH supports external discharge with a maximum power of 6 kilowatts. It supports barbecue and outdoor movie playback and fast charging, and it only takes 0.5 hours to charge from 30% to 80%. The new car is equipped with Saic DMH hybrid technology and uses a hybrid-specific 1.5T engine. The lithium iron phosphate battery pack has a capacity of 24.7 degrees. The comprehensive range of the CLTC has also reached 1,536 kilometers. The fuel consumption of the CLTC is 4.71 liters per 100 kilometers.